Hey everybody, in this video we are looking at this example right here, example 4, solving an exponential equation. These seem to be the type that intimidate a lot of people, so hopefully I can make you feel much better about it. This is part of a huge unit upload right now. We are on section 4 in the unit on exponential and logarithmic functions, and this section is dedicated to exponential and logarithmic equations. There's a whole playlist that'll pop up at the end, and there are basically the links to the playlist in the description box. So let's go and do this problem. So normally when you're solving an exponential equation, you want to isolate the base to a power. In this case, I have a base to a power on each side, and they can't be written with the same base, so I can't just do some quick mental math. So I'm going to have to do something else more creative. So what I'm going to do is start off by taking the natural log of both sides. So I'm just going to write it out as the natural log of 5 to the x minus 2 power equals the natural log of 4 to the 2x plus 3 power. What this allows us to do, since natural log is indeed a log or logarithm, I can bring my powers out in front with parentheses around them, of course, using the power property. So now I have x minus 2 out front times the ln or natural log of 5, and then I have 2x plus 3 again out front being multiplied by the natural log of 4. Now I want to solve for x, but he's sort of trapped inside these parentheses. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the natural log of 5 and the natural log of 4 on each of their sides, and they are representative of something like root 3, root 5, root 2, right? It's like a radical that you can't simplify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat it like a number. I'm going to distribute it into the parentheses so we can knock down those walls. What do I have next is x ln 5 minus 2 ln 5 equals 2x ln 4 plus 3 ln 4. Now I'm going to get all my x on one side, so this guy all going to come to the left, and I'm going to bring this guy to the right. Obviously I will do the inverse operation to get it there. So now the x ln 5 is staying on the left. I am going to subtract minus 2x ln 4 since I brought that over, equals 3 ln 4 was already here on this side. I'm going to add 2 ln 5 since I brought it from the other side, right? Just to kind of color coordinate for anyone who is feeling overwhelmed and got lost. That went there, and this guy right here ended up over here. Next up, I have x over here, and I have x over here. So I'm going to take my x over here. What does that mean? I'm going to factor x out. So x is my greatest common factor. I'm left with ln 5 minus 2 ln 4. These are all the same size. Nothing's an exponent right here. It's just, sorry, my handwriting's a little sloppy at the moment. 3 ln 4 plus 2 ln 5. Now, to get x alone, all I need to do is divide by the natural log of 5 minus 2 times the natural log of 4. Right there. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. Now, when you go to put this in the calculator, it's important that if your calculator doesn't have what we call pretty print and you can't see your answer, right off the bat nicely, that you have to make sure you have parentheses around your entire denominator. You may also, depending on your calculator, you might need parentheses around like this 4 and 5, 5 and 4. Otherwise, it's going to pull other things into the log. So if you type it in like that, you should be good to go. I'm not going to type this in the calculator. That's your answer. Let's look at the next one. As practice, maybe you hit pause, try it by yourself, and then check in after and watch it in double speed. I don't know. You let me know. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to take ln. Did you pause? Are you pausing? Pause. Do it by yourself. Come back in a minute. So I'm taking the ln on both sides. 2x minus 1 will come out front, so I'm going to write fewer steps. ln 3 is right next to it. X plus 1 is out front. And ln of 7 is right next to it. I'm going to distribute 2x ln 3 minus ln 3 equals x ln 7 plus ln 7. We're going to bring that guy to this side and that guy to this side. Why? Because I want everything with x on one side. So I'll have 2x ln 3 minus x ln 7 equals ln 7's already there plus ln of 3. Factor out the x. We have 2 ln 3 minus ln 7 equals ln 7 plus ln 3. what I'm going to do is divide both sides by 2 ln 3 minus ln 7, 2 ln 3 minus ln 7. Gone. Final answer, x equals that mess over here, ln of 7 plus ln of 3 all over 2 ln 3 minus ln of 7. Again, when you type this in the calculator, you definitely want parentheses around your numerator and denominator, and you may also, depending on your calculator, need parentheses around the thing that you are also taking the natural log of. I hope that it came through on the mic clearly, and that's the end of that problem. I hope you did that one by yourself and got it right, and I hope you're feeling good, feeling smart. If so, give me a thumbs up over here. If not, give me a thumbs down over here. Questions, comments, concerns, comment section below. There's a playlist and more in the description box. That's it for now. Adios.